Yeah, the most difficult part is this rubber thing. Putting it inside is the toughest thing. You can see it's very hard. So make sure you have the right order of the steel rods. It says, you should watch this carefully. It says 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. The middle ones should have 4 holes in the steel. Watch out carefully. This one, see? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't do this correctly, that's what I did. Then you have to do a lot of undoing. See, I put this one should have 4 holes, but it has only 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you find the steel rod that has the right number of holes as shown in the picture, and then insert the right hole, because once you do that wrongly, then it takes a lot of effort to undo it. You have to remove this tough rubber here. It's a lot of work, so just watch out and be careful when you come to this stage. Thank you.